In this video we will talk about skin care made easy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Essential oils are the natural product of plant metabolism. They are considered the liquid immune system of the plant. Essential oils come from the stems, seeds, leaves, bark, roots, rinds, flower petals and grasses of plants. When you buy essential oils, don't be upset at the price. First off, they are well worth it. Secondly, when used properly, it only takes a very small amount to accomplish the task. You'll also want to try to purchase organic essential oils. The more pure the essential oil, the more potent it will be. All natural and chemical-free should be the only type of essential oil you purchase. Other modifications and processing can alter the strength and the purity of the oil. Essential oils that are extra virgin or cold-pressed are great ones to use. Essential oils can be used for a variety of purposes. Aromatherapy, bath oils, medicinal uses, and massage are only a few of the typical uses for essential oils. For a natural, effective therapy, no matter what the purpose, there is most likely an essential oil available to suit your needs. When thinking about aromatherapy essential oil, there is a variety out there from which to make your choices. The purer an aromatherapy essential oil, the more potent the therapeutic effects. There is a wide range of aromatherapy essential oils, all with their own unique therapeutic qualities. Here is some information help you decide to buy any essential oil. To start, your essential oils have to be diluted into base oils. Diluting will make the substance go further and last longer. Dilution of essential oils will not reduce the effects. Massage therapy essential oils can just as well be used in baths. Since a nice warm bath can be a great way to unwind at the end of the day, what better way to relax than to include a product that will help in many more ways, from rejuvenating the spirit and the mind to conditioning the skin. It is important to note that oil will cause the surface of the tub to become very slick, so use caution when exiting the tub and be sure to wash the tub out thoroughly when finished to avoid an accident the next time you bathe. As with any product, it is always important to check the contents of the oils and purchase them from a reputable company where you have more assurance of the ingredients used. Particular medical condition may cause adverse reactions when using these oils. If you have high blood pressure, pregnancy, epilepsy, heart conditions, diabetes and more, consult with a physician before use. Remember, it is a good rule of thumb to spend a little time doing your homework first rather than pay for it later with your health. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.